Now let us see after the arrival of smartphone.
To sing, sha-na-na-na-na, oh oh. Sweet as a harmony, sha-na-na-na-na, oh oh. Growing up, she's a mystery, sha-na-na-na-na, oh oh.
Oh, what a change! By mealtime, how families share their food.
Yes.
But what about now?
It's a fantasy, sha-na-na-na-na, oh oh. Sweet as a harmony, sha-na-na-na-na, oh oh. Growing up, she's a mystery, sha-na-na-na-na, oh
Now, no sharing, no caring. A playtime is used to be a fun time for kids. We used to play indoor, outdoor and other traditional games.
oh. He's a
But now how we are playing.
fantasy, sha-na-na. Harmony, sha-na-na-na-na,
Now, no games, no physical exercise, that's really good. Now let us see how they consider their moral values. And now let us see how we are considering our moral values. Now let us see some daily study routines before the arrival of smartphone.
he's a
Now let's see after the arrival of smartphone.
fantasy, sha-na-na-na-na, oh oh. Sweet as a harmony, sha-na-na-na-na, oh oh. Growing up, she's a mystery, sha-na-na-na-na, oh oh.
Now it's still that not good. So we conclude that a student having a mobile phone doesn't mean that the student has everything. Nowadays, I see a lot of students who are distracted by mobile phones. Their studies and other useful activities are destroyed by the mobile phones. So I request you to kindly avoid using mobile phone.